Hello my dear children, welcome to our EVS class. So children, in the previous class we had started a new chapter. We began a new chapter, that was chapter 4, My Country India. Okay, we were learning about our country India, and in the previous class you learned about national symbols as well as the religions that are followed in India. Okay, you learned about those. So let us just recall what all we have learned in the previous class. In our previous class, you learned that our national symbols, the one is our national anthem. National anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore and it is the Jan Gana Mana. Then our national flag is the Tiranga, and our national emblem is the lion capital. National animal is tiger, national bird is peacock, national game is hockey, national flower is lotus, then our national tree is the banyan tree, national currency is the rupee, and our national fruit is mango. These were the things that we learned in the previous class. You also learned that there are 4 major religions that are followed, that is Hinduism, Christianity, Islam and the Sikhism. These are the 4 religions that are followed by the people of India. Okay, so now in this class let us learn about our state Kerala. Okay, we are going to learn about our state Kerala. Now let us begin the class for today. So children, when we began this chapter, you learned that Kerala lies in the south of India. See here you can see Kerala. It is a state that lies towards the south of India. It is a South Indian state. Okay, and when you look at this map over here, just have a look at this map over here, you can see that Kerala has 2 neighboring states. The neighboring states of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So the neighboring states, you can say that the neighboring states of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And Kerala lies towards the south of India. We know that our state is Kerala and it is towards the south of India. The neighboring states of Kerala are Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Okay, now let us learn more about Kerala. And we know that in Kerala, the major language that is spoken is Malayalam, isn't it? And in Malayalam, we call Kerala as Kerala, isn't it? And Malayalam is the widely spoken language in Kerala. And if you look at this picture, here I have shown where Kerala is located in the map of India. See, towards the south it is located. And you have also learned that there are 14 districts in Kerala. In Kerala, there are 14 districts. Okay, so let us just see which all are the districts that you see in Kerala. Okay, there is Kasaragod, Kannur, Kozhikode, Wayanad, then there is Malappuram, Palakkad, Thrissur, Ernakulam, Idukki, Kottayam, Alappuzha, Pathanamthitta, Kollam and Thiruvananthapuram. These are the 14 districts of Kerala. So how many districts are there? There are 14 districts in Kerala. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Kasaragod, Kannur, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Malappuram, Thrissur, Palakkad, Ernakulam, Idukki, Kottayam, Alappuzha, Pathanamthitta, Kollam and Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, these are the 14 districts of Kerala. Okay, then next if you see, you know that the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. That means it is the place where our government is seated, where the government of Kerala is seated. So this is the capital of Kerala, that is Thiruvananthapuram. The district Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. And You learned already, I told you that there are 14 districts in Kerala. And our chief minister is at present, our chief minister is Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. He is the chief minister of Kerala and at present he is the chief minister. So children, what all you have learned now? You learned that Kerala is a South Indian state. It lies towards the south of India. The neighboring states of Kerala are Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And when you take Kerala, in Kerala the widely spoken language is Malayalam. There are 14 districts in Kerala and the present chief minister is Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. And children, Kerala was formed on 1st November 1956. This Kerala, this state came into existence on, it was formed on 1st November 1956. Okay, please note that in your worksheet. It was formed on 1st November 1956. We know that because of that on 1st November we celebrate Kerala Piravi Day, isn't it? It is the day in which Kerala was born. Okay, so on 1st November Kerala was formed. Now let us move on to another topic. I hope that this is clear to you about our state. Kerala is clear to you, and you also know that Kerala is called as God's own country. Okay, it is called as God's own country. Our state is also called as God's own country. Now let us learn about the first in India. Who were some of the first in India? Okay, there are some people who are the first in India. It is given in the last page of your worksheet of this chapter, My Country India. Okay, so let us know the following first in India, like that the heading is given. So in that you have to learn these four. These are the main four people that you have to remember. Okay, that is the first president of India. The first president's picture I have given here. The first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Then you all will be familiar with this picture. Yes, this is Jawaharlal Nehru, isn't it? He was the first Prime Minister of India. So the first President of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad and the first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru. Then the first female governor of India is Sarojini Naidu. The first female governor of India was Sarojini Naidu. Okay, please underline that in your worksheet. Sarojini Naidu. Then the first vice president was Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. So this is the picture of Sarojini Naidu. Okay, she was the first female governor of India. Then this is the picture of the first vice president, that was Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Please underline these in your worksheet. Then next let us see some more people. The first person or the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize was Rabindranath Tagore. Then the first woman judge of Supreme Court was Fatima Bibi, and the first person to travel in space was Rakesh Sharma. Then the first woman IPS officer of India was Kiran Bedi, and the first Indian to win Olympic gold medal was Abhinav Bindra, and the first Indian to win the Miss World was Rita Faria. Okay, so children, please see that you remember the first page, the first slide, that is the first President of India, the Prime Minister of India, the woman governor and the Vice President. Please see that you learn these. Okay. So children, I will just repeat whatever you have learned in this video. In this class you learned about our country Kerala. You learned that Kerala is in the south, lies towards the south of India. Neighboring states of Kerala are Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Kerala is also known as God's own country. There are 14 districts in Kerala. Kerala came into being on 1st November 1956. And in the widely spoken language of Kerala is Malayalam. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala and the present chief minister is Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. Okay, so children, I hope that this is clear to you. So please read your worksheets well and do the activities that are given in your worksheet. So thank you children.